Alright guys, welcome back to my desk studio. This is Unbox and Chill, and I do appreciate you guys stopping in. Um, if you could do me a favor, I'm just going to mention at the top of the video while I get my desk ready, hit that subscribe button, okay? We're at 100 subscribers. I think we're just over 100. We're at 103 or so. We're building a nice community here. Of guys who like to see some cool stuff, unboxed. We're gonna have some giveaways that are gonna take place once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and then also at the same time hit the like button as well for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, let's do. We have an unboxing today. That's why we're here, of course. I did receive a watch. This one I got online. I purchased it. This is a Jack Mason. Okay, so let's take a look here. So we got the box here, and we'll bring it in. So this is a Jack Mason. I do like the blue box. It's textured as well. Has like a nice texture to it. And then the gold lettering and the logo, Jack Mason. I do like that font a lot. And then we've got red, white, and blue ribbons. So let's pop this open here. And we'll grab the information real quick. So let's see here. So we've just got probably just warranty and care information on here. Oh, okay, and a whole picture on here. Okay. Yeah, so. All right, yeah, we'll read that later. Some light reading. Let's see here. Okay, there's nothing else there. That's just what holds the paper in. And let's take this out. So this is the Jack Mason. Let's see here. So we got the SKU there. And this is the Racing Chronograph. Now this one I picked up just simply because, as I take the wrapper off here, the plastic, I really like the way it looks. I like the way it looks a lot. I like the dial of this watch. This is 40 millimeters. I actually already looked up the size on it. It's 40 millimeters. So this is one that, very wide range of people can wear. I think a lot of the watches that I end up purchasing and wearing, a lot of them are usually anywhere from 43, 44, 45 millimeters, just because I'm a bigger guy. Real quick also, I forgot to do the wristwatch check. This is a deep blue juggernaut with a mother of pearl dial on shark mesh. One of my nice go-to pieces. Nice Swiss Auto. Okay, but 40 millimeters is kind of a nice size that I think a lot of different guys like to wear. You have a lot of guys who don't want to wear anything under 40. You have a lot of guys that don't want to wear anything above 40. And 40 is just kind of I guess a nice 40 millimeters is a nice size that everyone can agree on, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. But I really like it a lot, actually. So this is a Japanese quartz chronograph here. As we hit that, you can see it start timing there. Okay, we will let that run for about 10 seconds. We'll stop it, and then we'll reset it here. Okay, but very nice dial. I like all the different colors that they used here. I do like the date complication at the bottom. I do like how that looks. Just a very attractive, very nice piece that I think a lot of people could wear every day. So as you can see back here, we've got Jack Mason. We've got a leather band, which doesn't feel too cheap. This band actually feels nicer than a lot of the bands that I've gotten on a lot of other watches. But as you can see, it's got some holes there on it as well. But like I said, just a nice overall piece. We'll take a look at the case back here too. So you can see it's got the Jack Mason there. So, like I said, just a very nice overall watch that I think everyone could throw on every day. I'm gonna put it on my big wrists, and I'm gonna see what it looks like. I'm hoping that I can pull off. I'm gonna go off camera for a second, guys. Bear with me. But I'm just hoping that I can pull off the 40. Hopefully, I can pull off the 40 millimeters. Sometimes I get a little. I guess I get a little self-conscious, thinking I'm too big of a guy to wear a 40 millimeter watch. But then a lot of people will tell me, no, it's the perfect size. So let's take a look and we'll see what it looks like as we buckle it up here. I think I'm literally on the, yep, I am on the last hole. Okay. So this is what we got here. This is the watch. Okay. This is it on my wrists. Actually, let me adjust it real quick. Yeah, so this is it on my wrists. Okay. And as you can see, I have small wrists. I mean, I'm sorry, I have large wrists, and small watches sometimes feel a little bit out of place for me anyway. But I just really like the dial of this one. I just had to try it. But yeah, this is the Jack Mason Racing Chronograph. We're going to take a look at the website and we're going to see the specs so that we can get some exact specifications here. Let's pop this up here. So I've got it pulled up on my phone. So this is it on the Amazon site. This watch cost $275. Listen, you may be able to find it cheaper elsewhere. Who knows? But this is pretty much what we got here. Let's scroll down to the specifications. So as you can see, 40 millimeters, leather band. Let's see here. Let's keep scrolling. Let's see here. So the manufacturer is Jack Mason. Actually, I think this thing is stuck to me. Let me get I got this on me. Let me move that out of the way. So let's see here. So Jack Mason, that's the, let's see, that's when it was first put on Amazon back in 2018 here. Let's see here. So we've got a Japanese quartz movement. It is a chronograph. It's just very basic specs here. It does have a mineral, so it's not, it's not a sapphire crystal, and it doesn't appear to even be a sapphire coated mineral. It's just a mineral crystal, so which is fine with me. But all right, that's about it. That's about it. $275. But I just thought that, it's a very striking watch. It looks very good. We'll take as we take a look at the glamour shots here. Yeah, it's a good looking piece. Good looking piece. If you can pull it off here. So, but this is it here. Like I said, this is the Jack Mason Racing Chronograph. Very nice piece. I do like the color on the dial. Like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm actually really curious. This is kind of a little bit different for me. I think I normally do stainless steel and I normally do divers. I actually don't usually do a lot of racing chronographs. I don't own a lot of chronographs. So I'd like to know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, like I said, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe as well. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. This has been Unbox and Chill.